Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to mark mail as important in Gmail in mobile. To mark mail as important email in Gmail, follow these steps. Now, open up your Gmail app on your mobile device. Then, find the email you want to mark as important. Let's say, for example, this one. Then, tap and hold the email to select it. Then, on the upper right corner, tap more icon and three dots. Then, press mark as important. Now, it's already marked important. Once you mark an email as important, you can see that there's an arrow sign over there. You can also find your important emails by clicking on the important label in the sidebar of the Gmail app. Please take note that Gmail uses its own algorithms to determine which emails are important based on your past email activity. However, you can manually mark or unmark emails as important to help Gmail learn your preferences. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!